Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before I start today's video, I just want to thank everyone for 10,000 subscribers. It has been crazy. I am so happy with all the support I've been given. Saturday, we're actually replacing the valve cover gasket on this car, and I looked on YouTube Creator and noticed that we're almost at 10K, and we hit it Saturday night. I am through the moon. This is just a crazy experience that I've gone through over past couple of months of the support I got. Like the auto opening trunk video got over 50,000 views. I'll do the update later in this video about what I finally did and how it's working and stuff like that, but I just want to thank everyone so much. Smash that thumbs up button to continue the journey with us. This has just been crazy. Some things that I hopefully to bring to the channel, I am working on hopefully installing a catch can to keep the oil consumption down on the E46. As many of you know, that's a problem and can lead your engine to hydrolocking, which is scary. So I'm definitely putting in a catch can. I have all the parts for that. I have a front bumper from Keys Motorsport that I'm hopefully installing soon. I just need to get it painted, and hopefully a rear bumper. I just want to thank everyone for the support, commenting, everything like that. Hitting 10K is just a huge accomplishment, and I never thought I'd even have 10,000 subscribers. Like 10,000 people have subscribed, and that the channel has over 2.5 million views. Like that is just like, what? Like mind-boggling. Over 2.5 million people have been exposed to my content. It is just absolutely crazy. I just want to thank everyone again, and the continued support is awesome. Now on to the update about the trunk. So the trunk is still working. I did have to do some modifications. So let's see right now. I have the keys in my pocket. Let's take them out. Press the unlock button. As you notice, it is opening itself. Let me show you the modification I did. Don't mind the messy trunk. Those are just all the parts of the catch can. So I did have to put in a washer. Here's the washer right here. I might actually paint these because they're already starting to rust a little because it is bare metal, but I just took it off, put one little washer in there, the exact size of it, and I will grab the dimensions of that. So the washer that's used right here is actually the inner diameter. This is what's important. The inner diameter is 5/16, so that's the whole center right here. I'll put a link to this exact washer that I got, but the whole washer is 5/16, and then the outside, it needs to be around 3/4. This one's a little tinier. It's I think it's just under 3/4, which that's the size of the die washer. Again, I'll put a link to these, and these are all in inches. So 5/16 of an inch and 3/4 of an inch for the outside thickness. I'm not too sure about that. I don't think it really matters. Second thing, that worked great, and that was awesome. However, one thing that made it really great is using some white lithium grease. This stuff does not dry, so it's awesome. I bought this at Lowe's along with the washers, or Home Depot would have it, but it's meant for hinges and gears, which is awesome. So auto hinges, stuff like that. Again, I just sprayed it right here, all in there and down here, and I repeated that on the other side, and it's really made all the difference. This is probably 3 weeks later, maybe, no, probably 2 weeks, and it's still working. So let me guys give you another demo of it. Take my keys out, the button, auto opening. And the nice thing is you can also do it just from the trunk too. So if you just put your hand right here, grab it, I'll push it, you just have to push the button and it pops right open. Because it's an electric lock, it automatically unlocks it. So here's a look at the other side. Same exact thing, same spring on it, in white lithium grease all on the hinges, and that truly has made all the difference. I will link the other video of installing the actual washer, the actual springs, and I'll put a link to them again, and I will put a link to those washers. It really has made all the difference. I'm absolutely in love with this mod. I can't suggest it enough. Thank you guys so much for 10,000 subscribers. I can't wait to see where the future goes, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.